Hi guys, so for this video I'm using yarn in size 4 medium and the crochet hook in size 5.5 millimeters. So I'll start by making a slip knot and then I'll chain 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now through the last chain from a hook I'll make 2 triple crochet. I'll chain 4, then through that same chain I'll make 3 triple crochet. So 1, 2 and 3. Again I'll chain 4, then through that same loop I'll make 3 triple crochet. Chain 4, then through that same chain I'll make 3 triple crochet. I'll chain 4, then through that same chain I'll make 3 triple crochet. Chain 4, through that same chain I'll make 3 triple crochet. One, two, three, four, five, six. So we need 8 of these 3 sets of triple crochets. Again I'll chain 3, then through the same chain I'll make 3 triple crochet. So 1, 2, and 3. Chain 4, then through that same chain I'll make 3 triple crochet. Now to finish row 1 I'll chain 4, then right there to that 4th chain I'll make a slip stitch. So we have 8 sets of 3 triple crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I'll chain 1 and I'll cut this yarn. Now right here to this first 3 chain loop, I insert my hook, then I insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. Now I'll chain 4, then through the same loop I'll make 4 triple crochet. So this 4 chain in the beginning of a row counts as 1 triple crochet plus 4 triple crochets. That will give us 5 triple crochets in total. 3, 4, and 5. Now through this next 4 chain loop I'll make 5 triple crochet. I'll chain 5, then through this next 4 chain loop I'll make 5 triple crochet. Now through this next 4 chain loop I'll make 5 treble crochet. I'll chain 5, then through this next 4 chain loop I'll make 5 treble crochet. Through this next 4 chain loop I'll make 5 treble crochet. Two, 3, 4, and 5. Chain 5. Through this next 4 chain loop I'll make 5 treble crochet. Through this next 4 chain loop I'll make 5 treble crochet. So now to finish row 2 I'll chain 5, then right there to that 4th chain I'll make a slip stitch. Now I'll chain 1 and I'll cut this yarn. So this completes row 2. Now right here you see where you have these 2 sets of 5 treble crochet. Right there to its center I insert my hook, then I insert my hook to a slip knot loop and pull through. And now I'll chain 1, then through the same loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Now through this next 5 chain loop I'll make 9 treble crochet. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8, 9. Chain 2, then through the same loop I'll make 9 treble crochet. So now right here we have these next 2 sets of 5 treble crochets. Right there through the center I'll make 1 single crochet. Again now through this next 5 chain loop I'll make 9 treble crochet. Now I'll chain 2, then through the same loop I'll make 9 triple crochet. Now again, right here we have these 2 sets of 5 triple crochets. Right there through the center I'll make 1 single crochet. So we repeat the same thing for rest of our row 3. Now to finish row 3, right here through this first single crochet chain I'll make a slip stitch. Now chain 1 and I'll cut this yarn. So you see now here through this first triple crochet chain I insert my hook, then I insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. Now I will chain 1, then through that same chain I'll make 1/2 double crochet. Through his next chain I'll make 1/2 double crochet. Through his next chain I'll make 1/2 double crochet. Through his next chain I'll make 1/2 double crochet. Through the next chain I'll make 1/2 double crochet. Through the next chain 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 1/2 double crochet. Through this 2 chain loop I'll make 3 half double crochet. So 1, 2, and 3. Now through his next 9 chains I'll make 1/2 double crochet through each chain. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now I'll skip this next single crochet chain, and through his next 9 chains I'll make 1/2 double crochet through each chain. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now through this 2 chain loop I'll make 3 half double crochet. Now through his next 9 chains I'll make 1/2 double crochet through each chain. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. I'll skip this next single crochet chain, and through his next 9 chains I'll make 1/2 double crochet through each chain. Through his next 2 chain loop I'll make 3 half double crochet. Through the next 9 chains I'll make 1/2 double crochet through each chain. I'll skip his next single crochet chain, and through his next 9 chains I'll make 1/2 double crochet through each chain. Six, 7, 8, and 9. Now right here through this 2 chain loop, I'll make 3 half double crochet. So 1, 2, and 3. Now through these last 9 chains, I'll make 1 half double crochet through each chain. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now to finish this row 4, right here through this first half double crochet chain, I'll make a slip stitch. Now I'll chain 1 and I'll cut this yarn. So the widest part measures 9 inches. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you like this video and thank you so much for watching.